Hi there. My name is Mia, and I'm so happy you're here today. I want to tell you all about my day. Are you ready? Let's go. Every morning, my alarm clock goes off, and I wake up. I stretch my arms way up high and say, "Good morning, world." Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. I brush them for 2 whole minutes. That keeps my smile nice and bright. After that, it's time for breakfast. I love eating cereal with milk and a big glass of orange juice. Yum. Breakfast gives me energy for the whole day. Next, I grab my backpack and head to school. I love school. I get to learn new things, read fun stories, and play with my friends. When school is over, I come home and do my homework. I like to finish it before I play. That way, I can have fun without worrying. Then it's playtime. Sometimes I ride my bike. Sometimes I draw pictures. Playing is the best part of the day. When the sun starts to go down, my family sits together for dinner. We talk about our day and share funny stories. I love dinner time. After dinner, I put on my pajamas, brush my teeth again, and climb into bed. Mom reads me a story, and I close my eyes. Good night, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow for another wonderful day.